P1080 Mini Polisher Installation and Debugging Tutorial. Installation of the machine. Machines in place. Fixed corner wheels to prevent sliding. The four corner wheels are fixed in the same way. Remove the kit from the tank. Reinstall the hand wheel. Screws against the flats. Add water to the water tank over the pump limit. Note: do not lower than the height of the water pump hole. Connecting the hoover. Adjust the feeder up and down smoothly. Insert the power plug and switch on the power. Installation of knives. Fit the collet to the bottom of the nut. And then fit the knife to the collet, rotate to the end to fit in place. Loosen the four screws on the cover and remove it. Loosen these two large screws and tilt the spindle to any angle. Lock it again. Screw the spindle nut with the knife fitted back onto the spindle. And lock it in place. Avoid using excessive force when locking. Knives are mounted. Set the spindle back to 0 degrees, ready for straight edge polishing. Note: before adjusting back to 0 degrees, must lower the spindle backwards before adjusting the angle. Knife alignment. First use a coarse knife to gently scrape the material, and then use a fine knife to leave about 2 threads. Hand push test. Start the machine close to the material, push the material in to cut some, then take it out and observe the cut. If this is the case, there is a step in front, which means the cutting amount is too small. You need to twist the screw on the spindle counterclockwise to make the spindle move forward slightly. Adjust and lock the orange handle, and then push it manually. Push it manually once for each adjustment. If this is the case, there is a step at the back, which means the amount of cutting is too large. You need to twist the screw on the spindle clockwise to make the spindle slowly move backward. Adjust and lock the orange handle, and then push it manually for testing. Each time you adjust it, do a manual push test. When the surface is smooth and without steps, it is adjusted properly. Then you can press down the feeder to process the material. Beveled edge polishing. Loosen the screws, take out the middle gasket, put the lock wire back and tighten it. Loosen the screws, take out the middle gasket, put the lock wire back and tighten it. Then lock it. Loosen the orange handle downwards and turn the hand wheel on the spindle to move the spindle forward. Then tighten the orange handle. Knife setting. Similarly, the rough knife touches the plate lightly, and then the fine knife leaves threads. After the tool setting is completed, press down the feeder to a height of 1-2 毫米 below the plate to start automatic feeding and processing.